Looking to get APMP Practitioner certified? APMP Practitioner kick-off sessions with key concepts presented in video lessons. APMP Practitioner syllabus presented in 45 video lessons. Pass cards, 350 pages study guide. Mock certification exam completely modeled on APMP foundation. Revise key syllabus areas using Scribble Talk teaching APMP Practitioner podcast. Revise sample mock exam completely modeled on APMP Practitioner exam. 3 revision workshops covering exam design, question types, body of knowledge guidance, APMP mock exam. Exam day guidance, past students tips and frequently asked questions video format, tutor and community support, reminder calls and nudge emails, study calendar, course completion and Scribble Superstar certificates, gamified learning portal and achievement badges. Why Baachu Scribble is the best place to get certified in APMP? Join thousands of Baachu-trained APMP certified professionals worldwide. Learn from the best and pass your exam the first time. If you don't pass, we offer a money-back policy. Start your certification journey today.